Hello everyone, I'm Juan Diego Bernaola, and for this career profile number 2, I choose the job of primary therapist. And the organization that I chose is called Striver Forward LLC. This is located here in Orem, Utah, and the reason that I chose this organization is that I am currently living here in Provo, Utah, so this organization is close to where I am currently living. Honestly, I don't know anyone in this career, but I'm going to ask some friends about it and if they have some friends that work in this field here in Utah. The working environment, well, for this job, the work shift is normally Monday to Friday, and most of the time there are no night shift. But sometimes you need to work at night to finish some records or papers about your patients because you need to work with people, and also you need to conduct some meetings, and it will depend of the organization or the patients that you are working with. So you need to be prepared for work extra hours each week. Most of the employers are looking for people who can work as a full-time employee, and that's something good because if you are looking for a job as a full-time, this is a good option for you. Also, depending on the organization, they will require you that you need to move from one location to another location. But in the case of my organization that I chose, they only have one location, so you don't need to worry about it. You need to work and act professionally in every moment. You need at least one master's degree for this job, and you need to have good communication skills. The typical stressors of this job, I found in the web that you need to work with people one by one. So you need to guide them, you need to console them about their situations of the problem that they are facing. Also, you need to work with their families and to help them to deal with that stress that they are feeling or that problems that they are facing. Another thing is that you will need to conduct meetings, as I mentioned before, and so you not only work with one person. You need to work with a group of people, and you need to deal with that stress. So you need to deal with that, but you need to help them too. You will need to keep a good or positive attitude toward the stressful situations and that you will need to face in your workplace. Also, you need to be empathic and accept criticism and make your workplace the best. The typical benefits that I found in the web is that most of the organizations offers to the workers a 401k and flexible schedules and paid time off and professional development assistance. So there are good things. Common job tasks. Well, you will need to work with people and communicate with them. The role of the primary therapist is to participate in the treatment of young adults. So most of the young people are struggling with college stress and other things that are common in their age. So you will need to keep in contact with them and also with their families and their academic advisors to work with them and help these young people to be success. Um, you will need to be problem solving, a decision maker. Um, you will need to work and lead individual, family, and group therapies. So that means that you need to have good teaching techniques because you need to work with people. The educational requirements for this job, well, you need at least a master's degree to work in this field. You will need a master's or doctoral degree in clinical social work, mental health counseling, psychology, and also marriage and family therapy. The salary for this job This starts in 47,000 annually, and if you have experience, you can earn more than 73,000 dollars annually. So that's a good money, and so that means that you can earn like $35 per hour. Miscellaneous career information about this field. So there are many opportunities in the future, and there will be more jobs available in this area because more people need therapy and they need help. So this is a good future job. And also organizations are looking to create more positions in this job because they are creating more locations to treat patients, and the specialists can work with them more efficiently. So that's it. Thank you.